back to our Summer Explorers Camp 2021. This week we are studying the country of Panama, and for these videos we are going to be giving you guys some little mini Spanish lessons. This is day 2 of that, so we'll go ahead and get started. For this lesson we're going to be going over family members, what to call people like your mom, your dad, cousins, grandparents, things like that. So we'll just be doing a little vocab today on what those people are called in Spanish. So we'll get started with mom. Moms are, the word is pretty similar in Spanish, la mamá. Dad, also very similar, you may have picked up on this, el papá. Alright, so now we're moving on to daughter and sister. So if you're referring to your daughter in Spanish, you would call her la hija. So the J in Spanish makes an H sound. So instead of la hija, it's la hija. And then sister is la hermana. And then it's very similar with the son. So for son you would say el hijo, and for brother you would say el hermano. To say grandma in Spanish, you would say la abuela, and then grandpa would be el abuelo. Okay, so when you're referring to a cousin, this is where it gets a tiny bit complicated, because some words in the Spanish language, they are called gendered, and so that means that they refer to a female or a male word, and the way you tell the difference is usually the ending. So most male gendered words end in O, and most female ones end in A. And so if you're talking about, depending on which one you're talking about, you would use different pronouns. The pronouns are these el and la that we keep using. So the way that you would differentiate is if you're referring to a female cousin, you would say la prima. If you're referring to a male cousin, you would call them el primo. So you have the el that goes with the male, and then the la which goes with the female. Alright, that is the end of this lesson, so we will see you guys for the next video.